welcome to Patty Pocket Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing some beach coasters, and I'm going to be using pigments, some alcohol inks, and some other type of pigments, cast and craft. So I'm using Pro Marine resin, parts A and B. I already have everything mixed up, so let me talk about my colors. This first color is the dark blue. Look how pretty that is. Okay, and that is the Atlantic Blue Pigments. This is by Life. And I mixed a little bit, 1 drop of the indigo blue from Golden. And then I put a little bit of glitter, this color glitter in there. So that's what made this color. And the next color is a little bit darker, and that's the Denim Blue, Life pigment. And I put a little bit of the glitter in with that. This next pretty color, a little ocean emerald green. Not emerald, but more like a beautiful clear water green. This is Emerald Islands, Life. Put a little tiny bit of glitter, the same glitter that I put in this one. I did use regular sand, so I have some regular sand in the cup, and with that sand, Stone Coat Gold Dust Metallic, beautiful sparkly pigment. And I put a little bit of alcohol ink, the Mixative Gold from Ranger. So that's what made this. And then I have the white that I'm going to make the waves with. It's pretty thin right now. But Cast and Craft Opaque White with 2 drops of the Pinata White alcohol ink. So those are my resin colors. I'm going to be putting a respirator on because I'm going to be using some heat on it. What I did with these, I got these at Lowe's, so they had some black codes on the back, so I just used a paint. I wanted to make sure those got covered up, so I just painted that area. And the rest of it's this color. I think that'll cover. I usually use the ones from Home Depot, but I actually think I like these better because they don't have the little nubs on the edge. Alright, let's get started. I'll turn on the music and see what happens here. I have some clear resin in case I need some extra. It's always good to have that handy. Okay. Let's go. Okay, it's the next day. I ended up sanding it to get a little bit of grit on there. If I would have put the second coat on within, I don't know, 6 or 12 hours, then I wouldn't need to sand it. So I used 320 grit sandpaper and just gave it a little tooth. You can see the texture in the sand. So I'm going to put a clear coat over it. I'm going to do a little bit of touch up with a couple colors, and I'm going to add some more waves. So give it that depth. So I'm going to put my mask on, and I'll be right back. I think they turned out really good. I have the other ones to do, but I just wanted to show you the final coat, how you can give more depth to your waves if you give it at least another second coat. Now some people give it a third coat, but I don't think that's necessary. But there you go. I still have some texture in the waves, but that's not going to bother a coaster. So I have some other ones that I pre-painted. I'm going to see how that goes. Maybe use a little less color on top, make it a little transparent. Okay, they're all dry. They turned out really good, I think. The layering, you can see some of the sand has a little texture, not very much, but that doesn't look bad. Turquoise is really pretty. So yeah, I'm about ready to make 24 of these. Takes a while. The lacing on these. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Cheers.